KETE Machinery is a technology and quality-oriented company committed to research and development, production, sales, and service of stone machinery and equipment. Over 20 years, from a small factory to becoming a high-tech enterprise, we adhere to the tenet of quality first and service-oriented. Our aim is to become a leader in the stone machinery industry and to build dreams with ingenuity. Specializing in technology and being dared to make innovation, we always strive for meeting the needs of customers. In order to achieving a perfect combination of advanced technology and modern equipment, we constantly breaking our limitation, pushing through the old and bringing forth the new, while enhancing the core competitiveness of standalone products. We continue to enrich the range of products, so as to create a series of stone machinery products with high degree of automation, high processing precision, high production efficiency. KETE Machinery independently develops a variety of stone machinery and equipment. Stone slab scanner, intelligent bridge cutting machine, automatic intelligent continuous production line, 5-axis CNC, 3-stage automatic polishing production line, edge grinding production line, etc., to promote the rapid development of stone industry. KETE Machinery FIST innovated the 3P solution for stone informatization in stone industry, leading the transformation and upgrading of the traditional stone industry, cooperating with Stone Cloud to realize a new mode of online operation, which has laid a solid foundation for the intelligence of the stone industry. Establishing a comprehensive LOT platform, it is more accurate to grasp the operation status of each equipment and more beneficial to improve the utilization rate of them. For providing a well-rounded service and technical support for the customers, KETE actively develops a customer service system. A series of training are held regularly in order to assist our customers for building up a professional operation team. Besides, an intelligent after-sales service platform, KETE Bao, has been developed independently, which significantly improves the satisfaction of after-sales service. With a dream of going abroad, we adhere a concept of service first and extend the reaches of company to all of the world. Relying on the unremitting pursuit of technology and quality, KETE has won a number of awards and technical patents, injecting innovative vitality into the development of the stone industry. Summon up courage for a task. Practice with diligence. KETE actively participates in many industrial exhibitions, forums, and other activities. With innovative achievements and leading technology, it is well received by many industry experts and the people in the field.
未来，我们将始终奉行质量第一、服务至上的宗旨，在石材机械领域，技术专注于智能化设备的研究，利用创新技术推动产业的转型升值，用诚挚的服务回报每一个用户。
KETE Machinery rely on excellent quality, innovative ideas, and perfect service. Embark on a professional path that belongs to the KETE people. Establish a career with excellence. Take the lead with quality. KETE Machinery